Hi, today I'm going to show the effect of the storms on my plants. I'm going to plant some tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and raspberries. I'm also going to plant some flowers like pink petunia, bee balm, and lilies. These are the effects of the storm. Looks like my hollyhocks are dying. Poor thing. That one is damaged. I should have harvested that yesterday. My fig tree is suffering from rust. I removed already about 20 of the rusted leaves. I'm going to use copper fungicide spray later. Though they're badly damaged by the storm, I did not pull out these hollyhocks because I want them to show their gorgeous flowers. My oriental lilies are forming the flower buds, though they're very short. They're supposed to be like 4 feet tall. Patio tomato. I think this variety is a dwarf tomato because it has indicated here that it's a patio tomato. This one is little Napoli Roma tomato. Full sun 6+ hours, 24 to 36 inches apart in rows, 36 inches. Harvest in 60 to 65 days. 1313 fertilizer and alfalfa meal. Need more soil. Going to plant this purple plum radish. days to germinate, 4 to 11, depth ½ inch, spacing 6 inches, days to harvest, 25 to 30 days. I can see ants on my soil. This tomato plants is in dire need of support. I can finally use my fancy flowers which I started from seed last January. I better hurry up. We have another storm. This is, I think, the third day. Last week for 3 days we have thunder and rain, and another 3 days of thunder, rain with a bonus of hail. This is oregano. Liberty bell peppers. Sweet banana peppers. Red bell peppers. The aromatic leaves of oregano may deter pests that are harmful to the pepper plants. At the bottom of the oregano, I use alfalfa meal only. Triple 13 fertilizer and alfalfa meal. Orange, use sweet pepper. I am planting them ½ inch above the original soil. So ½ inch from here is over there. I'm going to add tomato fertilizer to my alfalfa meal. How do you pronounce this one? Ichiban, Japanese eggplant. It's an Asian elongated eggplant. It rained last night and we are going to have 2 more days of rain. And this is our third week of raining. I better harvest this one. It's not as green as it should be. I cut it already. I'll twist it to remove. Wow. Oh. We have some broccoli side shoots here. Even at the bottom. I'll check this tomorrow morning. Eaten by the roly-poly. I have been planting the strawberry runners so that I can transplant them in the vertical planters when they have rooted. Fall gold raspberry. It's yellow in color. And I'm also going to plant yarrow as a companion plant, and garlic. Aside from the alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer, I use this one, earthworm castings. Garlic. This one is yarrow. Gosh, my gloves are so dirty. Looking forward that this heritage ever-bearing raspberry plants will give me fruit this year. The blackberries are flowering and starting to form the fruits. I'm going to plant my favorite Saportania Vesta bubble gum. This is a hybrid Petunia. Spacing minimum 18 inches, maximum is 32. Height is between 12 to 24. Perennial in zones 10 to 11. Light requirement, full to part sun. Alfalfa meal, triple 13 fertilizer, and more alfalfa meal around the plant. I'm going to use this to water because they're looking yellowish. These are zinnias and they can grow as tall as 36 inches. You have to deadhead the spent flowers so that they keep on blooming. You might be wondering why my plants are looking pathetic. Most of my plants were hidden in the patio for 2 weeks because last week we have 3 straight days of storm, and this week another 3 days of storm. It's not only the rain, thunder that we got, but also hail. In the patio, they're not getting the morning sun, but only the hot afternoon sun for 2 hours. These two are bee-balm, and the color is lilac. And I'm going to plant another variety of this Monarda plant. It's the Jacob Klein. Full sun to part shade. This perennial plant can grow as tall as 36 inches and has a spread to 18 inches. It has aromatic foliage. As usual, alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. I can divide these daylily plants as there are about 1, 2, 3, and 4 plants in this small pot. Nice root system. I'm trying to loosen up the soil from the plant roots. In separating the plant from another one, you have to make sure that each plant has its own roots. I successfully done it. Now I can plant them. As usual, I'm using triple 13 fertilizer and alfalfa meal.